So we all know that humans love the sound of moving water. Communities throughout the centuries have been located next to water sources, and Siloam Springs, Arkansas, where we're at now, is no different. We're standing on the city's paved walking trail right next to Sager Creek. Now, if you were to go anywhere in northwest Arkansas, you're going to find something similar in almost every town you go to. Either a paved walking or cycling trail right next to a water body. Now, if you can imagine 10 years ago being on this paved trail, there were no trees here. It was mowed clear down to the bank. If it's August and it's 95 degrees, this black paved trail is extremely hot. Now, in the past 10 years, as the trees have grown up, not only is the creek shaded, the algal blooms reduced, but the paved walking trail adjacent to the stream is a lot more pleasant to use. On top of that, think of all the maintenance that went in every week to having several city staff going up and down several thousand feet of stream bank with mowers, weed eaters, trying to keep this thing maintained. Not only is it time intensive, but mowing on a steep bank like this is not safe. So the city has not only saved itself a lot of money stopping maintaining this every week with mowers, but they've created a really pleasant environment for folks to come out, enjoy the park, and enjoy the creek. It's a win for everybody.